Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome to today's vlog. I have a special one, guys. I thank God for the gift of life. Anyway, guys, it's all morning over here. So let me show outside before I leave. You see, guys, it's a bright morning outside, as you can see. So today, man, I want to drink water as I rush outside. So, wow. These are drinking water right here. Wow. Okay. So guys, I'm heading outside. Actually, on my today's videos is to go and solve solution in my project. So guys, let's go outside. Wow. I'm telling you guys, it's quite early morning over here. So everybody's outside and this is how everything it is right now here. Wow. Wow. I'm telling you guys, please guys, if you're joining on today's vlog and you haven't subscribed, guys, please guys, subscribe, like, share my videos, and also guys, thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate. These are cow right here, they are grazing, see. But that one there, you must be very careful, I'm telling you. They're grazing there. Say hello. Say hello. Wow. They're grazing. But that cow is looking at me like somebody else. Wow. Anyway guys, on today's videos, I'm going to share with you between me and my African mom. So I'm going to solve problem in my project. I think today is our last day and I will see how everything goes. I'm telling you. I was coming from right there, checking the cow. So actually I'm heading this way. Wow. We have guavas here. Oh, I see the bigger one. How am I going to climb here? But all in one. Let's touch. Oh. Oh my God. I managed. See right here. See even this one here. Let's see. They're not ripening, guys. They are beautiful cows are grazing right here, eating leafy grass. Say hello. You good? You good? Hey. I know you miss me. Hey, calm down, calm down, bro. It's been a while. Calm down. Alright guys. Actually, man, I'm heading home right now and let me go and see my mason, the work he's supposed to do, guys. It's a bright morning over here, as you can see outside. Wow. Wow. Let's go, guys. Hey. Heading this way. Wow. Wow. Let's go. There's a gate right there. You know. It's a kind of early morning over here. So, wow. So anyway, guys, stay tuned. I'm going to check my mason at home right now, guys. Well, guys, it's early morning over here, and we have the cock right there. So there's the signs from Africa, Kenya. It's early morning over here, and guys, to be honest, I'm going to. Oh, that cock, man! What's up? So I'm going to check my project. Yesterday we get water, but today it's a final day, and we say thank you so much for my good people who keep supporting me. So I'm heading right there to show you what is going on. Guys, I'm so happy. What about you? I'm telling you, every month I'm supposed to do something unique, something special, you know, at my home. Right now, that being said, I came right now at home. I just pull up here, and oh man, let me pull it this one a little bit. And guys, to be honest, I found my mason or engineer for the borehole. Have already fetching water. Others are pouring down, man. It's a lot of water. So today I think it's our last day to dig the borehole, and it's by God's grace. So we shall see Monday whether I can get something small to pay them, and then as the day keep going. So anyway, guys, at my home here, we have the toilet here. The reason why I dig the borehole, this toilet, it's classic, need water every single minute. And right now, like no more rain here, so the tank no water. So it's supposed to have the borehole, and then to do everything like cemented. So when the time which I want to build my mama her dream house, also that borehole will help me in terms of water. So guys, let me take you there as we keep exploring these videos, and tell your friend, let's support Hello Baby Official by subscribing, guys. I'm telling you guys, I'm so grateful, man. So let's go guys, heading this way. Wow, imagine my borehole is right there. We have the toilet here. Maybe in future my house will be there. This will be the part of the compound within here. There was small yard, you can tell they have been poured water right here. You see, I'm telling you guys, man, what is coming like crazy. Wow. See guys, I'm not faking things. Look, these are water from the borehole. See guys, this one drum here. Memwaga mingi chini. So my engineer told me they poured a lot of water down rather than this one drum here. I'm telling you guys, it's by God's grace. So today's our last day, I think. Hana agate me futi sita. Ai. Ai wakati sombora he. Ai watu turuti he oma. Ngano. Imagine bero futi kwa hiene. Na bero futi kwa hiene hano ara kama kilo kama siku kama week. Mancha maruho ko. Yeah. Guys, what my engineer told me, it's just like, imagine one more night we had a lot of water. What about 2 to 3 days? I'm telling you, man, it's a lot of water. Maybe in the future I'll have the motor to pump water from the borehole. Maybe we have a small tank here, and then you will see, guys. Oh, my bird's coming. Ooh. Let me check. Hey, you heard that, guys? I'm telling you, I'm rolling these videos to the end. No anything to be hide. Look, you see? The birds. Wow. So these are good memories, guys, that I'm sharing with you here. I'm going to tell my mama to the farm. Guys, me, I left my mama to do what they're supposed to do. But maybe most of the people complaining, like maybe one person, and maybe my mama needs to do some exercise. Guys, whoa! You heard? Hey, I love the birds, man. What a good yard, man. Beautiful yard. Having birds. And the moment you didn't chase your birds, like any birds that come to your home or your house, it will stay there until they migrate alone. So guys, I'm going to the farm to share with my mama. We get water and I want to see my mom's reaction. I can't wait to surprise my mama with that project there. Imagine, I surprise my mom with this toilet here, and then borehole, and then dream house, and then what next maybe? I didn't understand. Wow. Guys, please watch this video till the end. Subscribe, leave us a comment, guys. And right here I have my baby. It take me around through the village. So let's go this way, guys. That's my dad's home. That's my grandma's home. What a beautiful compound, man. I'm telling you. Our family, it's extended family. I think this hen is sick. I think it's sick. And our improved one. Those yellow hens. You can see this one is too small but laying eggs. Wow, look. So guys, I'm heading to the farm, and today's videos are very special, guys. It's an emotional videos sharing with you. Imagine, guys, imagine. And I'm the one who choose where the borehole will be digging. And then guys, try to imagine, I didn't take any measurement, like measure where the water will be coming with machine, maybe measuring. Maybe just to do it randomly, guys. So I'm going to say hello to my mom before I left home. Actually, I'm going to the Virginia construction, so to check how the work have been going. And guys, I'm telling you, my brother's maize are really growing so big. You can tell. Look, right here, man. Look at this, right here. Anyway, let's take you. This is where my brother rents on this land here. And now my mama assists my brother to dig the land. I'm telling you, guys, you know, so he went to school, he didn't left money, but I understand the money maybe which he gets from here, he had to pay the school fees. So I understand him. Me, I don't want to charge my brother, but the money that he gets from here, maybe he pay, maybe he had to pay the school fees, and my work is to pay the rent, make sure that he has enough food to eat, you know. That's my African mom right there. Hey mama, what is your feeling?
I am good.
You good? I'm telling you, mama, the borehole has a lot of water. First of all, say hello.
Hello.
You good, mom?
Hey, you.
Actually, I love my mama. She was very hardworking, coming to the farm at this moment. And I personally, I'll make sure that my mama gets water. Imagine from the farm, I don't want my mama to go maybe to the river, fetching water, going to our neighbor, fetching water to the borehole. Guys, it's maybe a kind of shameless. My mama went to maybe my neighbor's borehole fetching water every day, you know. They didn't feel good, you know, so I tried to make my mama to be proud, having its own borehole. Mama kisima kina maji.
Oh.
Mungu mashama. Wamevuta maji mingi. Ili dumu litamia licho akaende ba home ante ya rutera madu akaende home ya maru hanse buko.
Ene mtebi ya muransi. Chumbi bani nani. Ora ne nyoro chasa gutuna. Igara gambi. Nyoro ya sa gutuna no ta gutanga si.
Mama, say subscribe.
Subscribe.
To?
Hello Baby.
Hey, guys, we heard from African mom. Please subscribe.
Hey.
Look how she was like digging. Guys, at the same time, my mama came to the farm, assist my brother to dig, and me going through looking for the content, shooting the videos, good qualities, and then at the end of the month, maybe my family put something on table. At the end of the month, I make some another steps. Like this month is to dig the borehole. Next month, maybe is to buy maybe some materials. I'm telling you. Teno kambe tui. Hatu yope no mucho korana moreta hano kimukara hanga wikara. Let's go. Tuta ya mama. Yeah, my mama wants to go to make porridge for my I want to say engineer or for my workers, whichever the case, because let's say engineer, because the engineer of the borehole. So mama went to make for them porridge. Porridge.
Porridge.
Porridge. Mama, say porridge.
Porridge.
Say porridge, mom.
Porridge.
Hey, mama, you are killing me. Instead of saying porridge, you say porridge. Mama, say porridge.
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 Huh?
Porridge.
Mama, porridge.
Porridge.
Mama.
Porridge.
Say porridge.
Porridge.
Letter G, it sounds silent. Porridge.
Oh, porridge.
Anyway, guys, me, I'm just making jokes with my mama. Like porridge. Mama say porridge. 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 Instead of porridge. Anyway, guys, I know for the haters, they will maybe talk about on how maybe my mama sound porridge. Me, I don't care. In case you're new here, that's my African mom. If you don't know my mama, that's my biological mother. So I was helping my mom a lot here and there. And it's by God's grace, man. I'm telling you, in my family, I'm not perfect, but I'm trying to chase my dream every day, every single minute. I got a new member on my YouTube channel, which I really appreciate. And guys, thank you so much for taking me over 6,600 subscribers. Right now, it's 400 subscribers remaining to hit 7K. Guys, I can't wait to share with you. Maybe the month of March, I will share with you 7K subscriber. Oh man, maybe this year I will be 10,000 plus. I can't wait, man. I can't wait. One day I'll be a superstar. That's my big dream. And then to be honest, when I finish building my mama her dream house, I'll start maybe traveling step by step, slowly, pole. You know, guys, when maybe I'm going outside there in my country, maybe explore so many parts of the village. When I came back home, my mama have a good house to sleep. My mama have food to put on table. So my work is maybe to struggle outside there, looking for the content, showing you amazing village, amazing view, you know. So I'm keep existing in my village here until when I build my mom's dream house, and then everything will be well and super amazing. Mama, let's go. We can all link on. So guys, my mama went to make porridge. In Swahili, porridge known as uji. Uji is a Swahili word, and I'm a Korean, guys. In my local language or vernacular language known as kirunguri. Kirunguri means porridge. In Swahili, uji. You see how things go, guys. I think the sun is facing this way and I'm doing like this. Oh man. Anyway, as long as we flow the vibe to the end, no problem. Wow. Hey. Mama, at the same time we had the birds in our compound, and I'm planning to cut that trees. I don't know where that bird's going to. So you're remaining with maybe fertilizer top up. Guys, let's go, and I will show you for my last minutes. I will show my last minutes how the borehole have been digging. So let's go, and then so I'm calling my mama to go and confirm the borehole, and then as he went to make the porridge for my mason or for my people who are doing at my works there. So heading this way. Mama, tuende check maji kwanza. Kazi inaendelea. Wow. Mama looking right, left, center. You can't imagine.
Wale kutanga tia magena. Kataga hapa ma.
Have the coke right here. Oh. That's the coke. Asana uchiro morama. Afuna ngote enchiri riboy. Mama uitana uchakoro motaro kon. So we try to make a ditch right here. The water is running here. Okay, guys. Mama, look. This is water that we have here. Maybe we can use saving.
Mwana waitona ni chinyoro chira chansa gutune. Ta gutune igo waza kumorora mekere yanki kenare gokora he. Akia Mungu asa gutuka kuya ni kioma.
What my mama was saying, the guy inside there digging using the punch. Eh? Mama, be careful, you know.
Angucha como, tachomo. Wikanga na nyoro yende.
Ah?
Tamwamba, ngegera gotoroki. Nyoro yende.
Ngora. Guys, the good thing about my friend who are inside, he can't speak. We use signs to talk with him. Okay. Ya patai. Ere agatembarai.
Iri chembe.
Anse about na hapongu. Oh. Ibo to na le nani.
Sini iri chembe agusabira ari mento goche. Itagaji.
Ichembe byonsu nana bigandute.
This is a small container to uplift the soil or from the ground.
No takamate mumo.
Come on.
Sikana kunda na arabu.
Mambe ukira ni chinyanse kia manani. Ko bisimu to ko bekibi. Mambe se kia manani higa.
Oh.
Ichinyo atano, kwanse mugote.
Wiki walinga.
Na linga henta kanyo ko make nongo kora ko.
Ura magoro bisiga gara muita na wa hogari kwi.
Tamano aga hero.
Ikisogi sicho nacho kino cyagota. Swara ni bere.
See guys.
Yakata ya mapa temere kuya hansi. Mama so gisi ganda ga ko ta mongi hano afire to ko.
Irna ni ageta yam.
Ni ageta ya. Ono tomo be kira ageta yam. Ni ageta ya.
Kana motu kama ntika ran kulima ben.
Sasa mo sense ko gatupi. Sasa na aru ahi ke pona ata heten. Asa kono mo sense nkuruta. Maroba.
It was uplifting. Wow. Okay. And then boom. Guys, anyway, I'm so grateful. And right now we get to water. We try to look like, you know, maybe this is the borehole right now. For example, here, this is the borehole. We try to look like the lines that are on center, not maybe here or there. Like this water that we fetch here, example, this is a borehole and this is the mid bottom. We get maybe the lines here. So we try to look for the middle one, which have a lot of water. Man, something crazy. Let's go and explore. Guys, me right now, no idea on this, so I'm keep flowing with vibe to the end, and I probably so anyway guys, let me go that way. I'm going this way. Actually, right now as I speak here, I'm heading to the construction site right now, guys. No faking things. We're heading to the construction site, and I want to see amazing job that are going there. You have my uncle's project right here, so it stops, you know, everything have its starting point and ending point. Wow, we have the beautiful cows right here. They're grazing, I'm telling you. We have another one right here. They are chilling, so calm. Let's go, guys. Let's go. We have stones here for my mom dream house. I don't want to show you every day like but I'm showing you in case you're new here. This is another side of my project. Me, I'm the guy who coming with good idea every day, every month. Wow, guys. Let's go. This is my grandma home at the back. This is my dad's home, of which I'm planning to build here 3-bedroom. I'm telling you, 3-bedroom, but a unique one within here. Wow, that's super amazing. Wow. Oh man. We have some trees right here. You see right here. The owner of this land cut some trees and selling in company. You can tell in the comment section, you know. So the moment you see trees cutting down into small pieces, like that one here, they went to the company, you know. It's a small post. Wow. Let's go. Guys, I'll keep watching these videos till the end. Subscribe. Please guys, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. Share my videos to your family. Support your son. Support your brother. Hello Baby Official here. Support your son. Hello Baby Official here, guys. Heading this way. You see guys right here. This went to the company. Wow. So guys, I'm heading deep, going down. Right now, I'm heading to the construction site, and today I'm supposed to make some exercise walking to the site, see the work how the work been going there at the Virginia construction site, and then I'm going deep to see my friend's land. You know, right now it's like I have like a couple of weeks without going down there, so I'm supposed to be there, see what's going on. Let's go. I had a tractor on the other side plowing. Wow, this is a beautiful nature that we have here. Over there is my neighbor. So right now, no more neighbor there. They migrate. So we keep going down and then going this way. So imagine, try to imagine how long I've been going. I'm telling you. Nowadays, people came with good idea, plowing by using tractor. I'm telling you, man, plowing by using tractor. Guys, as we keep going, I want to show you a little bit that tractor as our day ends. You heard the noise? I'm waiting that tractor to be here. So maybe most of the people don't like to film, but when my camera capture them at the angle of 360, you see the tractor. I'm telling you. It's right here. That is a tractor. Right there. It's going. There's a tractor. Wow. All the way from my home, walking up to Nyabohansi market. Today I decided, you know what, let me make an exercise, guys. Most of the time I'm in motorbike, and I realized that's the reason why I'm gaining weight, you know. So I must walk, making practice, making exercise, you know. So guys, to be honest, I have my mountain bike in my house, but I'm trying to look the brake disc I didn't get in Kenya. So probably, maybe I'll make a search from abroad and maybe making a bookment. So let's go. Right now we have sand here. People can harvest sand walking this way, but probably, like, if you don't have idea, you left the sand the way it is here. Oh guys, me I'm keep walking till Nyabohansi. Look guys, I'm telling you, we have leader, but we have poor road. Like last night we have rain. Look, so how can you pass with a car or a bike? Look, me, I wanna say the leader of Kenya, the leader of my country should wake up. You know, we pay tax every day. People pay tax, and no good roads here. I'm telling you guys, when you came one day to Africa, especially in my village, you realize, you know. If you don't know, you don't know. Hello babies outside, walking. Actually, there's cassava plantation right there. Inside there, that's cassava plantation. And that's the staple food that we have here in our village. That being said, is farming is our first priority in our village here. You know, most of our parents depend on farming, and we plant maize, we plant cassava, we plant sweet potatoes, Irish potatoes, sugar cane, pineapple, banana. We have all types of organic food in our village, but maybe some part of the areas, those foods didn't maybe grow or doing well. Like in my village here, we can plant sugar, kales, cassava. It's doing well. Sweet potatoes, maize, but I didn't see pineapple. Maybe in Highland, like especially in Kisi, they have been planting pineapple because those people living in Highland. So we keep going this way, guys. Today I'm walking like that with my sandals, walking. Up to Nyabohanse. I'm telling you. So guys, today I think should I go this way? And I want to change the route. Let me go this way, guys. Or what do you think? This no. Let me go this way because maybe anytime I'll meet maybe my friends within here, we can have a sweet talk. So guys, stay tuned. More amazing videos coming. When I reach at where my brother and sister land, I'll show you that school. Guys, see under this part, we have perimeter wall. We have another house here, and engineer Matiko's home right here. The engineer who built Matiko's Chef Matiko's home. So that engineer, his home's right here. You can tell it's a nice house, sliding gate. Maybe one day we'll put a sliding gate and having perimeter wall to secure my mom's properties. Wow. Today I will divert. I'll show you the church and school, and then I'm supposed to change another route. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Have the kids from right now. It's break time, and when I was studying on this school here, this could be the part of the local shop, the small one that you see there. Let's go, guys. So good. There's a shop right here. I have another one right here. So today I'm not going straight, so I divert using this route maybe for the first time. So right here we have the church. Every school, every institution must have a church like this one here. When it was building and reached at the rental, we playing here football inside there when we were kids. I'm telling you. Right now students are outside. You can tell in the comment section. Ew. Kids are outside. Oh, even they have built, like, putting the fence right here, thorn fence. Guys, these are the back of the school. So I'm trying to pass here for the first time, loading camera on this side here. Imagine. Also, I'm heading into construction site, but I didn't pass at the gate of the school right there, so I'm trying to go this way to explore and show people on other parts of the village. We have free stones here, man. You can sit relaxing, no one will chase you, you know. So this is the rope for my camera, guys, like for my handle. When I do like this on the street, no one will try to snap or snatch my camera. So this is the like rope for the handles. So guys, you have free stones. You can sleep here like no one who say, okay, why do you sleep on that stones? It's mine. No. This you find alongside the road, you sleep. Man, I'll keep going. But I'm showing you we have like free of charge stones. You know, you can sit there during evening time making story, and then our day goes. Wow. Oh guys, people building here. Something else. Yes, that. Mahorda. Yeah. Have the stones here. People are really invest in terms of building and construction, including Hello Baby Official. So let's go. Wow. I will greet one of my cousin here. Is another part of the project. If you know, you know. You don't know, you don't know. Right here. If you're watching T_travel, she was assisting one of our grandma to build a house like that one there, semi-permanent, and a small house, well organized. You see right there, even the toilet, so I don't want to go there. But I'm the part of the outside showing you what's going on. So I want to greet my cousin right here. He was rented here for the owner of this house giving him to rent here. I don't know where I can find him or not. Guys, what do you think about? Should I build a house like this for my mom? You know, 3 well bedroom, well organized. Daddy! Daddy yuko gani? Mimi nadhani alikuwa anaishi hapa. Sasa siwezi kurekodi. Chumba gani? Ile ya matope huko. Na nganyiri kura hano. Hakuwa anaishi hapa. Alikuwa anaishi hapo kwa mimi. Okay. Now, guys, this is a 3-bedroom house. I'm telling you, I'm going to build like that one, no matter what. You have such kind, so I came to greet my cousin, but I have been told that he migrates. But it is what it is. So, you see, guys, even at the back. Let me show you. It has the front porch and back porch. Look. Wow. So that being said, it's supposed to greet my cousin. So I don't want to black things, you know. So he migrated from my grandma or from my home, and then he came to his home right there down where I was asking her mother, like you know, according to our culture, you can marry 2 wives. So a mother from maybe not maybe biological mother, but his father has 2 wives. So for the second wife, so let me go and greet her. Let me go and greet her. Guys, imagine right now I'm heading to the construction site, but because of time here and there, I want to greet my cousin, man. The good thing about in our village here, you can pass people's home, you know, so no one who say, oh man, Why do you trespassing on my space? No, 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 no. You are living in peace and unity, guys. Wow. So heading this way, we're going straight. This is another toilet that we have here. Man, I think but mine are very, very unique. Look. So I have been told my cousin stay here. Stay here, right here. See how people building, man. So I'm going to this house here. So that been told my cousin stay here. Wow. Daddy. Uko. Fresh murat. Su odi. Sufungwe mu. Airuhusiwi nifungwe nje ufungwe. Daddy, kwani umelala hadi saa hii? Guys, I'm telling him he's supposed to open the door. Probably I'm not the owner of the house. Kwani hapa ndo unaishi? Niko ndani uko nyumbani. I went to his home, but I have been told he migrate here and rent here, you know. When you are a mature person, you're supposed to have your own space. Eh?
Welcome. Morning.
Morning. Can I give my kids?
Hello guys.
Yini?
You are come.
Sasa nani akufinye vero?
Ka finire gento kende keli choka.
Karabu. Sand. This is my cousin here. This is our her space, all his space. Guys, I'm going to the construction site, but I'm supposed to greet my cousin. It's a long time. Tuna kulicha hitu.
Hando.
Angekuwa mpaka sasa.
Sasa hakuna jobu kwenye naenda.
Tunaenda time kwa. Hakuna job penye unaenda.
Sasa kazi kwa. There's no job.
No job. So when there's no job, you relax.
Hey.
Yes. When you get a job, you go.
Hey.
Okay. Guys, God is good. I met the owner of that house. She was a grandma. But you already met her. Hey. He was there. Creo tu chokere go. And how are? Ekikuyu sasi.
Ngano kuigwandi hasa ninka wasende.
Guys, she was our grandma within here, and African tea or African village life tea support her to build the house. And guys, I want to say thank you so much by keeping supporting our grandma over here. Toito mambi wa hakepa hari mana ka hetere. Mambi hande no sikire.
Monari.
Oh. Adija. Her name is Adija, guys. Adija. Guys, well organized house. Wow. I'm actually wow. Lakini buyorero boko.
Boyandi.
Kana nyoka boy.
Yoni kago. Mungu akamgwa kanisaidia kaniambia kwamba wacha nibete malaika Mungu. Akuzengeneza kutoka kaburini. Sasa niko pale nje kama
guys, to be honest, her old house they're supposed to fall down, but God opened door, brought tea here, shooting the videos, and village tea supports her. It's a village, I think village, African village travel supports her, and then to have such a kind of house of this, and it's well organized, and the grandma supposed to show me where she was sleeping, but I said no, I don't want to film where she was sleeping, but I saw in village on that maybe my fellow YouTuber who's supporting him, they have a nice bed and everything. So I don't want to film her bedroom. Yeah, guys, it's not advisable, you know. Wow. Initial bed was this one here, right here. See this one here? She was sleeping here, but right now God opened the door. I'm telling you, the view that I saw, she was having she was being surprised by a big bed and everything, guys. So man, stay tuned. I'm keep going. Mama Korovoki, I'm keep going. Adija, unimaganda yondari hara. Sorry guys, I supposed to leave, but my grandma told me you didn't see the toilet. Imagine, I was proud what she's supposed to do, and I would have been maybe showing me. Hey, Adija, you're in the bath.
This
This is a bathroom. Oh, this is your toilet? Yeah, guys. We're organized. Mboyo radi, jetangaro kagari kumba kubisai. I'm telling you right now, you're okay. Yes. Go. Una muamini Mungu. Nasema God, thank you, God. Imagine, look how the house looks like. So beautiful, man. I'm telling you. And it's well cemented inside, outside, and everything painted, you know. You have actually have a toilet right there. I walk. Guys, I'm heading this way after having a sweet talk with my grandma. Actually, I'm heading this way, going to construction, man. It's crazy by itself, you know. So she tried to motivate me, like, you know what? People talk about your toilet, man. To be honest, maybe I built something unique. Let's see the house. Let's see the house. When they talk about toilet, what about the house, man? Wow. This is life we live, man. So I was passing here, showing you for the first time. And this was my first time to pass here, rolling my camera like crazy. We have the local fence here. You can tell that one right here. Let's go. So guys, to be honest, that's my outfit for today. This is my shirt right here. That's my trouser. I have my sandal down there. Man, me, I live simple life, not complicated life, man. So keep going down. Wow. See how people are building, man. Imagine this is a perimeter right here. Mura. No man does, but I have the perimeter right here. Imagine, man. I was getting motivated when I see such kind of this huge progress here. We thank God, man. We have caves right here. Oh. Keep moving. Imagine right now, I'm heading to Nyabohans, and we can't imagine, maybe it was our very first time to see this part that I'm passing here. Wow. Since I was filming the videos, it was my first time to pass here. I'm telling you. Wow. See guys, neighbor, that's the gate. We have another neighbor here, that's the gate. We're moving on. We're moving, guys, up to construction site. When I do like this, I'm looking somebody else, but this way I think it's okay. There's an napier grass right here. Alternate neighbors. This one and that one here. Also, that's a road. Wow. We're heading this way. There's a BNB right here. We found within Nyabohans here, BNB. All YouTubers living here, like rented here on this BNB. I'm telling you, 90% of YouTubers staying here. I can't hide it anymore. We have the tank on top. I was saying that one in the morning. When I get money, I'll create a tank to be on top, and the motor will generate water from the borehole to the top. We have another construction material, like people building, man. Wow. I think right now it's sport day. That's the reason why you see vehicles, man. Wow. And right here we have the satellite right here, Safaricom. I think the Safaricom. Down there we have Airtel. Let's go. Guys, I was sitting here uploading the videos. Mura, say hello.
Hello, guys.
Say hello.
Hello.
Tom Corner, say hello.
Hello.
Guys, to be honest, when I was uploading my videos, I was sitting here because we have the satellites for the Safaricom, and that the internet was strong right here. So I supposed to came and uploading my video here daytime because we have satellite right now here for Safaricom, as I keep showing you right there for Airtel. What a good thing, man. We have a national girls school here known as Bohanse. It's named after the late president, our second president, that's Daniel Torotich Arap Moi. I'm telling you guys the way it is. Wow. We're moving on. We're moving on. So this one, our internet for Airtel. I'm telling you, in our village, we totally lucky, man, to have both internet within here. Right there. Oh my God. Going down straight up to the construction site. When I'm sitting, like when I'm standing right here, I see people on construction site straight. Wow. Let's go. And right here we have the guest house, Elmac guest house here. Wow. Anyway guys, welcome to Nyabohanse village. Right now where I am, it's Nyabohanse village. I keep going straight to the construction site, and right here we have Getmas Hotel Cave right here. Wow. Oh yeah, go for. Let's go. No cut, no hiding anything. This is how Nyabohanse market looks like, and I think this is the entrance. Wow. Guys, as you keep watching these videos, let me know in the comment section what do you think about on today's vlog, man. People are calling me that they think I'm traveling, like going to border town. I'm within here, man. I'm within here. And I also have the church here, Perfect Church. I'm telling you. Wow. Small business right there. Anyway guys, this is how Nyabohanse looks like. I'm telling you. Wow. Fresh, bro. Hi. Wow. This is how Nyabuhanse looks like. In case you're new here, subscribe. Have a big banana right there. I'm heading to the Dakar drinking water. See guys, thank you. Going up to other side. I'm showing you how it is, man. Yeah? They got me room, man. Only see me out. Poor uncle. Yeah. Anyway, guys, welcome. David Junior Construction. I left that part. I'm heading this way. We have the timber right now here. Hey, men at work.
Hello, baby, I wish you.
Yes. Guys, I'm telling you, men at work. We have timber down here. We have cold wire. We have hammer, square ruler. So guys, the crazy thing is I wanna climb on this ladder here, going on top. Maybe you'll see. Okay. So guys, whoa, something else. Oh, a man can try. Hey, mzee hajakuja. Say hello.
Hello, guys. The Black Mamba, the blackest person in the world. Man.
That's your YouTube channel?
That's my YouTube channel, Black Mamba. The only black person in my family. You know, Muridimali work here.
Yes, I must step here. Guys, to be honest, umeanza kufunika za huku. You're a black man?
The Black Mamba.
Working.
Go on to my YouTube channel, subscribe, comment, even share. I'll appreciate it, man.
Black Mamba, guys. Because they're working, I don't want to disturb them. And I know...
All you can do is just subscribe my YouTube channel at Black Mamba. If you say hello baby, know that Black Mamba is the best friend of my hello baby.
Hii nyumba ukweli ni ngumu. Yaani hapa na hapa. Na ingine unakuta iko hapa hadi kwa ile next room. Hapa kati hakuna beam. Sikudanganyi. Sikudanganyi. Unakuta kuna pira, unaona hii beam hapa. Ingine unaenda kukuta next pale. Hii ya kati hakuna. I'm telling my engineer, this house is reinforced house. Imagine guys, from here to there, and then from there to other side. Other house, no beam on the middle. It's from here. Okay, introduce.
Hello, this is King Charles Kirioba 254. I'm here with Hello Baby Official. I'm working here. This is my closest friend here. Thank you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel at King Charles Kirioba 254. I will appreciate.
Yes, guys.
Thank you.
One day, if maybe I'll have my kids in the future, I'll show you. We are working at the Juniors with one of my engineer here.
Maybe I can show you my channel here.
Show people. Show people.
Briefly.
Yes, as I go. Babu, mambo yanasonga. Let me show you. Egonga msumari. Yeah?
Niko hapa. Najonga hii beam.
I'm telling you guys, really? Hey, guys, men at work for sure. Okay, umepata?
Yes.
Guys, here you must walk like a monkey because these are construction. Let me show you. King Charles Kirioba 254. Hey, you have 1,000 subscribers?
Yes.
You are really looking for the watching hour.
Okay.
Make videos.
Okay.
I see you make short videos give you 5 or 4 views. Make videos.
Thank you.
Yes, guys. I'm telling you, man. Oh, I'm sitting here now watching the Bonse village, how it looks like from here. And initially, Chef Matiko was staying within here on the other side, that one house that you see there. And then we go to other side. You see? And the good thing about the quotation from my engineer right now here, like no drilling, putting pipe. We have here pipe. You see, guys, this is a pipe and a pillar. So inside we have the pipe, maybe for running water going down. Hey, this is a formwork. Yeah. Yeah, guys, I'm asking you. Today you didn't have handman. Kwani vipi mwanza kufunga chuma?
Tuliweka hapa.
Wasi. Hey. Wow. At the same, guys, these videos, it's a kind of a combination of videos, so I'll go that way deep to see my friend's land.
Niliona kwa video. Niona umesema umerecover.
So guys, I was coming from top on the first floor and I met my brother right here so they can introduce himself.
Yeah guys, what's up guys, welcome back to this amazing vlog. My name is Gaki. As always guys, you was dedicated Roy from Sagaki. Actually guys, I was not feeling well, but guys, we must give you something amazing. So today guys,
Real traveler.
No, this is a water bottle.
You say you have a bag? Bro, are you traveling?
No. I'm here.
You are here?
I'm here, but
yeah, you can travel even around our village,
yeah.
No problem.
Oh yeah, I want to travel around our village so that you can see what we have to us.
These are timber. You can work with the accessory, laptop, chargers, power bank, camera.
Yeah,
you never know the end of the day how it's go.
Yeah guys, so guys, actually everything is moving perfect. So we are over here. You know sometimes guys it's good that we pay some visits at the places where we walk.
That's where our life transformed.
That's where our life
These two amigos here.
Yeah, so with always guys, subscribe if you haven't, like the video, share the video to your families, friends and beloved ones, and let us know what you think about these amazing vlogs. Yeah.
Okay guys, so we shall meet on the next video guys. So guys, I supposed to go this way and I was coming from Nyabohans from the site with this bike, with those two peoples that are going there. So actually they were transporting timbers. You see right here, this is the bike. Wow. So guys, we keep going down, man. So I had the power saw cutting, splitting timbers on the other side. When I'm going there, I will show you guys, you know. So first thing, I'm going to check my friend's land. It's been a while, and to see how this goes, man. We keep going deep. It probably, I think last month, January, this road have been like constructed during rain season, and then man, it's something crazy. But right now, because it's summer season, people came and revolutionized with the tractors, excavators. You can see right here. Wow. Wow guys, thank you so much my good people. As you watch these videos, leave the sweet comments. It's so hot guys. Maybe, oh, the sun is here at the center, so I didn't understand, but I probably before we vibe to the end, we're heading deep. We're heading deep. Heading deep. Oga. Fresh. Before kabisa.
How are you?
I'm good.
Good morning.
Morning.
Yes.
Say hello to my
Yeah, what's up guys? My name is Nasto. Welcome to Hello Baby YouTube channel. Yeah, we are here just going for some small errands. Yeah?
with your baby.
Yeah, with my new baby. Yeah, subscribe to my brother here.
Yes.
Road to Success. Also check me out. You know it's planting season.
Yes.
So we are trying to organize seeds and
You can see
everything.
people coming from the
Yeah,
shamba.
from the shamba. Yeah.
Okay, me, I'm going to check the land down there.
Okay,
Yes. Okay. Wow. Oh, guys. His name on YouTube channel is Nasto. It's _Nasto. He was a nice guy, humble guy. Wow. We share a subscriber, man. Let's go. We keep moving, going down. Oh, man. Oh, my God. And try to imagine from here to Tanzania, it's a walking distance, man. Maybe if you're walking, you use 30 to 40 minutes, you'll be there. If you're riding your bike, 10 to 15 minutes, you'll be there. I'm telling you. Over there. There, guys. So far, so good. Let's go. Let's go. I want to take you around to see how everything goes. As you keep watching these amazing vlogs, subscribe, guys. My camera is somehow crazy. It's so dark, but I understand it because of sun. Wow. We're heading this way, and Nasto's place is down there. It's down there. Oh, let's go this way. That. Yeah. So I'm going deep and then going that way. So actually, because of time here and there. Wow. Even I want to show you Nasto's place. Within here, when my brother's school have been closed, he came and working at Nasto's place, getting money for the day, man. I'm telling you, like maybe $5 to $6 within here. Wow. Let me show you how people invest. Wow, it's quite early morning over here. Whew. Right here. See, guys, this is Nasto's place. I'm telling you guys, no faking things, no anything. This is Nasto's compound. Inside you have the house. I'm telling you. Wow. See guys, that's the perimeter wall, sliding gate. So guys, we shall meet on the beautiful forest there, guys. Well guys, we keep going. So almost to reach at my neighbor's land. So I'll pass at my Huguenot's place or home as we keep going. So this is another part of the beautiful trees that we have here. So we go. Right now it's the season plantation. Keep going. Wow. Keep going. Anda tuna mahanko mohano. This is my Huguenot's place right here. I'm telling you, if you don't know, somebody came from scratch. It's somewhere else owning the bungalow. Oh man. Right here. Oh, keep going, man. People are building, man. So we almost, guys. It's just within there. Wow. The dog is running. I'm scared of the dog, man. It's right there. Wow. It's to see another day. Actually, I think today is supposed to end my video here on my friend's land. And then, guys, at the end of this videos, let me know what you think about on today's vlog. So that being said, every month by God's grace is to make a step. Is to make a step. At the end of the month, step. At the end of the month, step. Maybe I want to see when the year ended how maybe things have been transformed at my home. So heading down. Wow. Oh, guys. I'm walking, guys, here. With my sandals and everything, you know. Walking through my village. Let's see how everything goes. Oh, you know, it's a good thing to check the land every single minute, but it's a couple of days without coming here. But probably I said, you know what, let me come and check everything how it is here. Oh. Anyway, guys, welcome to my new land for my friend right here. We have stones here. Wow. They are waiting maybe a job. So this is the land from there going up to the way where there is some beautiful flowers. That's our boundary going up to that house. That is with maroon iron sheet, the small house, not other side, but this one here. Wow, everything is well, super amazing. We have the borehole, and actually at my home I will construct my borehole look like this stuff that you see here. That's the big aim. I came here to show you sometimes maybe some kind of different we create but with a bigger door, but mine will not small like this one in circumference, will maybe bigger, you know. Here no water, it's dry. Oh. Maybe you have stones here for placing maybe a bucket and fetching water there. You pour. Wow. Sabi, Ikoi, Achogambe, hello. Guys, inside here we lock with a new padlock. You see right there? Everything is good. And the neighbors are fetching water here, which is a good thing. You know, this borehole has a lot of water. A lot of water. Hey! I want to end my video here, and I want to say thank you so much. May God bless you. Everything is okay within here. So guys, we shall meet on the next video, guys. Bye.